Hi guys, today I would like to talk about my newly bought camera. I would like to compare two cameras that I've got during the purchase, but they are from different sellers. One HIK Vision, which is 5 megapixels, and the image is perfect. It is 2.8 mm focal, and this one is 5 megapixel too, analog camera, but it is varifocal, 2.8 mm to I think to 12 mm. It can be adjusted, zoom in and zoom out here, and focus can be set here. Unfortunately, what I've got here, the image is very bad. I try to adjust the focus, but it failed to do that. Maybe it is faulty. Well, I'll show you on this video. What I found that actually maybe this particular pot is faulty, but this one is fine because I can adjust the zoom in and zoom out of the image, but the image failed to focus, right? I'll show you. This is the lens, the position of the lens. When we rotate this, it will move a bit higher. Okay guys, the lens already moved to higher position, and we can see that sort of there is a moist in the lens up there. Well, I don't know what it is, but then we can see that the image is now zoom out when we move up the lens. But then unfortunately, when I rotate this part, the image have no difference in terms of focus. Right, you can see there is no difference in terms of focus on the TV screen. Although I rotated this from back anti-clockwise and clockwise, there's no difference in terms of focus in the images. Although I changed this zoom in and zoom out, there's no difference at all in terms of focus. Well, I do notice, to be honest, this tickling noise inside this camera. Maybe something is broken inside, I don't know. Well, honestly, the build quality of this camera is good. It's heavy. This is metal, but unfortunately it is a broken camera, right? Thank you very much.